We introduce to you the training division of Eurotech ACSPL. We are APIU approved training company, IRC ACQI approved training partner, AWSCWI International Welding Training Agent and American Welding Society member as affiliate company and many more. We have many courses available at our institute. ISO 9001 to 2015, Quality Management System training such as Foundation course for ISO 9001 to 2015. Internal Auditor course for ISO 9001, 2015. ISO 13485 to 2016, Medical Devices QMS training such as Foundation course for ISO 13485, 2016. Internal Auditor course for ISO 13485, 2016. Welding courses training such as Internal Auditor course for ISO 3834. AWSCWI training, productivity training such as Internal Auditor 2-day workshop. Problem solving. Risk assessment. ISO 14971 risk assessment. Social accountability training such as Foundation course for SA8000, 2014. APIU American Petroleum Institute certified training such as APIQ1 Fundamentals. APIQ1 Practitioner. In brief, we provide ISO 9001, 2015 trainings, ISO 13485, 2016 trainings, SA8000 awareness training and welding trainings. You should enroll for our courses as we have modern and kinesthetic techniques of learning. Experienced tutors who go through rigorous criteria for selection and continuous assessment. All training courses are followed up with a feedback. Continuous monitoring of every candidate. Experiential training. Course content is prepared taking into consideration the needs of various delegates. Other services we offer are product certification, system certification, CE marking, compliance certification, SEDEX, SA8000 audits, electrical electronics photometry safety testing. Visit our website eurotechworld.net web link. Contact us 93167448482. Email us if you have any query. trg@eurotechworld.net. We are specialized training provider for in-house courses delivered at your location as per your requirements. Enroll now. Hurry, limited seats.